friends, I am Sunil. This video is in continuation to my earlier video where I spoke about what are the business drivers which are forcing the organization to adopt agile methodology. Before organizations begin on the transformation map, on the transformation road to adopt agile framework, they should do a readiness check whether the organization is ready to adopt this new way of working. There are some of the parameters which I would recommend for the organizations to do this readiness check. The first being is the presence of the project management practice available in the organization. Is it established or is it at what stage? That is the first point to check. Second is the type of resources which are available in the project team. What is their skill? The third, is there a dedicated project team available with the organization to deliver the projects? Fourth is the alignment between IT and business. How are the business demands related to the current IT capability? What is the maturity level of business? Because this transformation will also require business to change and how they perceive project delivery from IT. The last point being the post-implementation measurement metrics to measure the impact of the project and to have a feedback loop back into the project management practice to improve it. Now, agile project management methodology and the traditional PMO methodology both can be used to deliver any kind of projects. But what is the best suitable approach? That is what the next step the organization should bring in as a practice. To evaluate the best approach to deliver the projects, I would recommend some of the criteria which the organizations can use to select the approach. First among them is the technical analysis. What kind of resources are required to deliver this project? Are these resources really highly skilled? What is the bandwidth of my resource available to deliver the project? Second is the financial analysis. What is the overall cost of the project to be delivered? What is the impact of the delay if this project gets delayed to be delivered to business? The third is what is the impact of the number of iterations on the business or on the project outcome. The next evaluation criteria is the requirement analysis. What kind of requirement is this? Is this a greenfield requirement, completely new requirement where the business is not having any experience of any IT intervention, or is it an enhancement to a current application? The second is the complexity of the requirement. How complex is the requirement? Are the requirements pretty clear? Is the requirements not clear? They are vague in nature. Is the business requirements keep changing? So these are the evaluation criteria which needs to be evaluated. Next is the change management analysis. Every project brings about a change and there should be awareness to the change. Before we adopt any of the approaches, we should evaluate what kind of change this project is going to bring, whether it is an organization-wide impact or it is an impact only to the department. With this, I would like to conclude that all the organizations can adopt both the approaches, the traditional approach as well as the agile methodology. The point what I want to make is that we need to select what is the best, and based on the selection approach which I just recommended, you can have three kinds of project management methodology coexisting in your organization depending on type of the project. One, the traditional project management methodology which the organization is comfortable with. Second, the agile methodology which the organization is introducing and which requires a change. And third is a hybrid methodology where the organization can combine the plus points and the positivities of the traditional approach methodology as well as the agile methodology to deliver the projects. With this, I would look forward to your comments and feedback on my channel. Keep viewing